So, good afternoon to everyone. So, today in this video, we will discuss about one of the most undervalued pharma share. So, presently, if we see the current scenario, we see that most of the pharma companies have rised up very drastically. If we consider almost all the pharmaceuticals, they are almost at near their 52-week high. Yes or no? So, while investing in any particular pharma share, so we need to keep in mind one important thing, that is we need to check the P by E ratio, because when the P by E ratio is very high as compared to the what is the sector PE, then we need to be cautious, because at some point of time the profit booking may start. So we may occur losses if we start investing at the highest point. Yes or no? So keeping that point in mind, so we need to check the most undervalued pharma shares in the present situation, so that we can earn a good amount of profit. So one of that such share is Marksans Pharma. So people already know that Marksans Pharma was actually a penny stock a few months back. It was trading at around 10 rupees, and it has gained almost 20 rupees from the 10 rupees. It's currently trading at 35 and 36 rupees. So we'll check out all the technicals as well as fundamentals before we get into that stock. Okay, so firstly let me show you about the company, and we'll also see all the fundamentals of this company. So okay, first let me show you Marksans Pharma. So the current market cap is around 1400 crores, and similarly if we see the PE, so the important thing to note down here is the PE. So let me mark it that. So if you see, the PE is currently 11.97. So if we see the overall pharma shares, so many pharma shares, the PE is around 33, and most of them are about 30 above only. Yes or no? So we need to keep that point in mind. So if we see, the industry P is around 31. Okay, industry P is 31. So it's, we are getting at a very low P, and being the pharmaceutical company, and I'll show you more things about Marksans Pharma. You will be shocked to see all those things about Marksans Pharma. So apart from that, if we see, the dividend yield is very less, around 0.28, and apart from that, we see deliveries is 43%. Okay, and current market price around 35.30. It's very less. It's stock which is trades less than 50 rupees. You should not keep in mind that the stocks which are less than 50 rupees are dangerous stocks, not like that. So there may be even good fundamentals. If you consider many stocks like Bajaj Finance, Dr. Reddy's Laboratories, they all started the journey from the 50 rupees range only. So you need to keep that point in mind. Okay, so now we'll discuss about the strengths of this stock. Okay, so if we see the strengths of this stock, we see that we have 18 strengths. Yes, 18 strengths. So you can pause the video and check out all of them. Okay, you'll see that the main important thing here is that the company is with low debt, so that you need to keep in mind. And similarly, the company is with zero promoter pledge. Okay, the promoter pledging in this company is totally zero. And if you see that the profit and revenues started increasing very nicely, and because of that the stock has increased continuously from the past 1.5 month also. Okay, you can see FIS and DIS are also increasing the shareholding. Okay, stock almost gained 20% in 1 month, so it's correcting now. So our main aim or agenda is that we need to catch the stock at the low prices as it falls. Okay, so even at current marketplace we can start investing small amounts, so that we can avoid missing the opportunity, as once it starts gaining momentum it will directly start hitting upper circuit. So you need to keep that in mind. So investing in the stock is nothing wrong in it, so we need to start investing in small quantities at each and every dip. Okay, so similarly if we see, the weaknesses is nothing but only one weakness, that is the decline net cash flow and mutual fund holding has been decreased. So these are only the two things, negative things about this company. Apart from that, everything is in green only. And if we see the opportunities, we see that RSI is indicating strength. That is, there is a, it's saying that there may be more upward movement, and it's a profit making company, and ROCE and low PEs. Okay, so low PE is very important, and ROCE also is very important factor to be considered, and very fast recovery from 52-week low. Okay, so these are the four opportunities. So if we see, if you people who know about simply Wall Street, you can go and find out from that site that Marksans Pharma fair value is around 339 rupees. 339 rupees, and we are getting it at 35 rupees. We can say around 90 to 89 to 90% undervalued stock. This is 80 to 90% undervalued stock. So we need to invest in these type of stocks. So this is basically my main aim to spread the awareness is about value investing. So we need to do value investing. We need to buy the stock at on the dips before it rises. So that should be the main concept. So rather than investing Bajaj Finance at 3,000, 4,000, that may be a decent investment for safe. We say that it's a safe investment, that we may get less returns, but it's a safe investment. So even before, when Bajaj Finance is 45 rupees, who expected that it will go to 4,000, 5,000? Yes or no? So people who bought at that price, they have done their best job of value investing. So we need to keep in mind that we need to do value investing. So we are getting at very low levels also. So we need to focus on the levels. So we'll discuss the levels where we need to buy this stock. Okay. So apart from this, if we see the charts, let me show you the 1 month chart. So if we see the 1 month chart, we see that it has been continuously increasing from the 2 months also. So if we see a support here also, that is around 25, 26 like that. So but it may not go to that region, and it is seeing resistance near 36 and 37. Almost the 52-week high is 39 rupees. So my suggestion is that, so whenever you get near 32 and 31 rupees, so you need to grab the opportunity. You need to put in small quantities as much as you can, so that it will be on a safe side, that you will not miss the stock again. Okay, so even the money flow index is showing it still, it may go up since it's not gone to overbought region. So still some momentum is possible, it is suggesting. Okay, so if we see in 1 day chart also, we see that it started correcting. So when the 1 day chart shows comes to 20, then we need to start investing. Then it says that it is oversold. Okay, so other than, if we see the chart, we see a support here also around 33 and 32. So we can also try out there. We can put some small quantity of amount at that particular level. Okay, so these are the basic levels of this. So apart from this, we'll discuss about another pharma share also in the next videos. So you need to focus on this stock. See, I have shown you all the strengths. There are no weaknesses. I have shown you the fair value also. If you see the profits, ROC, everything is excellent, and you're getting at 30 rupees. Fair value is 339 rupees. So you need to take your own decision. You need to put as much as amount you want at that levels, only at particular levels, 33, 32, 31. On that particular levels you need to enter, rather than putting whole 10k at a time on the stock. You need to put in small quantities or portions. Okay, so this is all about Marksans Pharma. So in next video we'll discuss about another pharma share, which is almost, we can say, a penny stock also. Okay, so until then, take care. Bye bye.